Hi friends, Right Careers welcomes you to another brand new video. This is Yes Sudarshan, your career coach. In case you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. And in case you haven't, do click on the subscription button and bell button for instant notifications of career and parenting related videos on a regular basis. Now we are still in the month of January 2024, and the last week we saw what are the thriving careers in 2024, and one such career is what we have taken this episode. Technology, as we all notice, technology has transformed every walk of life, right, of our lives. We are experiencing it, and finance is no exception, right? The financial world currently, it's in the midst of a digital revolution, we call. And how? Through a process called fintech. It's a very, very prominent and a buzzing word among corporates, I should say. That's a fintech. So fintech is now changing the landscape of how employment opportunity, or how the career is spanning across finance industries, particularly in the areas of private equity and venture capital. So thus, it is creating new career avenues through technology, and that's what we're going to see this episode. The topic that we have taken is FinTech Revolution in 2024 from the perspective of private equity and venture capital. So we have taken two industries as to how fintech is going to impact a career and job changes or job shift, I would say, in 2024 and beyond. So before we see as to how you become a fintech professional, the first thing that you need to know is what are the career opportunities in fintech space when it comes to venture capital and private equity. The first career opportunity that I can think of is in the form of an investment analyst. Now, investment analysts, as the name itself suggests, what they do, they analyze the investment, they evaluate the investment, they conduct due diligence of the investment that we make and offer a recommendation. Now, all along, how they have been doing, either manually or through Excel. But then there are a lot of tools that has come, statistical tools or fintech tools that has come. So, and therefore they use that and analyze the data and financial modeling and come up with their own analysis. So that's what investment analysts do with the help of fintech. So that's the first career opportunity that I thought. The second career opportunity in fintech space is in the form of a portfolio manager. Portfolio is the wide array of investments that we make as individuals or as group, right? That's portfolio. So what do portfolio managers do? They oversee the fund investment that we make. They basically oversee that. They optimize the returns. Whatever money that we're going to invest, they will optimize the return and manage the risks that we actually take in terms of the investment. Now, how? All along using the traditional way, but now using real-time technology tools, right? And that's what fintech has done to a portfolio manager. That's the second career opportunity that I can think of. The third career opportunity, in fintech, especially with VC and P related careers, is a data scientist. We have seen enough about data scientists, but then you can't escape being a data scientist. What do? They extract the insights from financial data, whatever they get as raw data, using advanced analytics, using various tools, advanced analytics tools, including machine language, machine learning, etc., and take an informed decision or an accurate, close to accurate decision when it comes to investment. So that's what a data scientist or data analyst do. Moving on to the fourth career option that I can think of is in the form of a software developer themselves, or a software engineer. So what do? They build tech platforms, whatever be the tech platform that we see at the internet or on the mobile phone. It's a software engineer or the software programmer or developer who does these platforms. So that's the fourth kind of career opportunity. The fifth kind of career opportunity in fintech space is of a compliance manager or compliance and regulatory specialist. As the name itself suggests, we have a lot of compliance, right? Government of India compliance, AMFI compliance, whatever it is. So they ensure that regulatory conform, whatever be the regulatory body, they ensure that the regulatory compliance happens through technology. That's the most important aspect, through technology in fintech focused firms. That's what a compliance and regulatory specialist do. The next career option that I thought was about a cybersecurity expert. Obviously, as the name itself suggests, they safeguard the sensitive information about the investment, about individual, about the organization, anything financial data which breaches, through fintech operations. So that's what a cybersecurity specialists do, and there are also opportunities in the areas of AI and ML specialists where they utilize AI and ML learning to enhance the strategies, to come up with predictive analysis and algorithmic trading. Gone are the days of manual trading. These days, people do, trading using algorithms also, right? These are some of the career opportunities that I thought when it comes to fintech in the areas of private equity and, investment banking, etc. How do you become? This is most important question. How do you become? If you ask me, that's the question, begging question that most of the parents has towards me. They ask me, how do I become a fintech professional? A lot of queries from senior level, mid level also come to me. If you ask me, there is no definitive qualification when it comes to, fintech, at least at the bachelor's level. No, any bachelor's degree relevant to finance or economics or even mathematics or statistics and computer science would do. So that's what you need to do, or you got to do at the undergraduate level. But then at postgraduate level, we have several programs that has come. I've already made a video on fintech, which I've given the link beneath this video. You can watch that. That's the basics of how fintech operates. But then at a more advanced level, at a more specialized level, there are numerous programs, especially in MBA program in finance, or say MSc in finance, Master of Data Science, Master of Computer Science, etc. But then one program that would stand out among these programs is the Master of Finance in FinTech Management or Financial Management, which is offered at the leading business school across the world and in India also. So roles such as quantitative analysis, risk management often require mathematics and statistics, at least till the graduate level and beyond also. So you got to study maths and statistics if you have to, become a fintech professional. Not only finance, that's the question most of us have, but then you got to specialize either, in maths or statistics along with finance. So it's a combination of technology with finance, right? So to conclude, given the rapidly changing nature of fintech, fintech itself, there are ongoing professionals who are there in fintech industry also need to update themselves, attending a lot of seminars, conferences, workshops and trainings in fintech will do a world of good. And it's important to know that while education qualification is very, very important, there is no doubt, but then the practical hands-on experience in fintech can take you places. As the industry continues to evolve, being adaptable to such changes is going to be invaluable, and that trait is something which we all need to practice if we have to become very, very successful in our professional walk of life. And on that note, I would like to finish this topic in fintech, and until next week, with an altogether topic. See you all. Have a safe week. Thank you.